Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
Before performing a factory reset on your iPhone, it is essential to back up your data to ensure that you don't lose any important information. So, here is how you can back up your iPhone. The first one is iCloud backup. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi Fi network because iCloud is the easiest way to back up on your iPhone without needing a computer. So, simply go to the Settings app, and at the top, you can see your name and tap on it to go to the Apple ID settings. Now scroll down and look for the iCloud option available there and tap on it. Inside iCloud, look for the iCloud backup. You can simply tap on the iCloud backup and tap on backup now and make sure the backup is completed before proceeding. You can also buy iCloud Plus for more storage, and you can add as much photos or videos you want of yours in iCloud. So here you can see my iCloud is full due to storage issues. But if you don't have any, then you can back up your photos or videos or any files through iCloud. Now, the other way is using Google Photo. Simply go to the App Store and download the Google Photos on your mobile device and log in using your Gmail account, and you can enable backup and sync to back up all your photos and videos to Google Photos as well. Now, simply go to the settings and factory reset. Now, inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on erase content and factory reset your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.